Simply Food by TY.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Simply Food by TY. So look, today, y'all, I'm not even gonna be before y'all long. As y'all can see, I got me two big ass, hey, king crab legs. And I got me some shrimp that I've already deshelled. And I put them in my cast iron skillet and I put some like lemon pepper, Old Bay, the zhuzh. And then of course I got my sauce here. I've been doing it for many, many years. If y'all want the recipe, it is Simply Food by TY's Tequila Infused Seafood Sauce. It will get you lit and right all at the same time. And here she is. She is boiling. You hear me? So I'm just going to jump right into this. I'm not even going to be before y'all long today. I got so much stuff to do once I'm done this video. So I was like, let me just do a video real quick. I burned my daggone finger, y'all. So I got this thing on here. So let me just open this bad boy up. Oh my God. You know, king crab legs will have you ate up if you're not careful. Let me just. Ow! There we go. Because what she won't do is cut my hand up today. You hear me? Wait a minute. Let me say my grace. Lord, thank you for this food that I am about to receive. Please, Lord, let this food be fully cooked because I don't have time to have Ebola, the Zika virus, swine flu, none of the above. In your name I pray, we pray. Amen. Y'all, we not on here to be playing a bunch of games today, okay? This shell is tough. You's a tough girl, huh? You don't wanna come out and do what you're supposed to do. You thought you was gonna stay in and play on the meow. How y'all doing today? Y'all doing all right? Oh, look at all that meat. My God. Now y'all know I like me some meat. Don't be nasty. Don't be nasty. Ooh, let me see that one right there. Ooh. Jeez Louise. Look at all that meat. You know this don't make no sense. Look at all this. Put that in this sauce. Oh my God, look at that. I'm gonna try to use this hand because look at that. Y'all see that? Here we go. This sauce is so hot. I'm gonna tell y'all something. This shit is so good. Y'all go in my description box, okay? And go try out my recipe for my sauce. I promise you, you won't regret it. This meat is so good. Y'all all been having a good day, I hope. Let me get this knuckle. Let me get this knuckle meat. This knuckle meat be tough though. I gotta let her soak. Does anybody else think that? It be so much meat, but to me, it just be so damn tough. I be having to let her soak. Look at all this. Look at all of this damn meat. You know this don't make no damn sense. Look at all that meat. I'm gonna tell y'all something. Get yourselves some king crab. Make my sauce. And live your best life. This sauce got a little bit of a kick to it too. I added some extra chili powder to it. Wait a minute. There's a piece of meat in here that's not trying to come out. You gonna get your ass up out of here today. I tell you one thing. As sharp as these damn things are, when they cooked, I wouldn't dare want to run into one of these damn things in the ocean. You hear me? There we go. Get that piece of meat out of there. That's a lot of meat. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's just so tender. But you gotta be careful with king crab. Ow, shit. You gotta be careful with king crab. I'm gonna tell you something. King crab will slice your ass open. Ow! Hey. This damn Band-Aid thing is gonna work on my nerves. I'm gonna have to eat with my left hand today. I don't like the way that look. Look at how good it look. Just look. Hold on, wait. When I get the next big piece, I'll give y'all a close up. Some go up. I wasn't even gonna film a video today, y'all, but I was like, but my boos are gonna want to see me eat something today. Y'all thinking, no, we don't. Oh, Lord. I hope all of y'all are really having a good day, though, for real, for real. All jokes aside. Child, it is currently 3 o'clock. I've been at work since 5 a.m. I work from 5 a.m. Come on out of there. I work from 5 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. at my part-time job. Because, honey, this mukbang life ain't cheap, you hear me? It ain't cheap. Y'all, can y'all see all of this goodness? Oh my God. I'm telling you, it should be a damn sin. Ooh, what's that? Is that meat? No, yeah. We don't leave meat behind. No. Oh, no. Ooh. Oh. Look at all. Look at all of that. Can y'all see that? That is just seasonings and butter. Oh, Lord Jesus. It's just so good. Y'all ready for me to work on this next king crab, huh? I'm trying to make her get, I like to get every ounce. Because let me tell you something, king crabs are not cheap. And honey, these people that be buying $200 and $300 cases, hey, not me. Y'all won't be seeing me do a king crab mukbang unless they is on a sale. You hear me? I'm not about to be emptying out my bank account fooling around with y'all. Oh my God, this is just so good. I honestly don't even know how I'm still awake. Because in my mind, I'm already asleep. Look at this big sucker here. Now, you know this don't make no... Look at how big this is. I've heard that a few times. Ow! I ain't lying. Let me stop messing with y'all. Okay, let me open this up. Eee! Pull. I'll set her to the side. Woo. Pull that on out there. All right, now let's cut this big sucker. Oh, this is gonna be a big piece of meat in here. I can feel it. This bastard is heavy. So I learned from my girl Casey Connection, instead of you cutting it just on one side and then trying to break it around, go pair it on the opposite side and just cut up, and then you just pull it up like a window. And then the meat, oh shit. And then the meat just come right on out. Except my scissors aren't the best. See? And you just pull it up like that. And then the meat's right there. All right. Oh. Mm-hmm. Oh, yes, that's a nice piece there. Let me just get this fat off. Because I don't want that. All right. Let me give y'all a close-up. Give y'all a close-up. Look at that. Look at how good that look. You know what? This don't make no damn sense. Let me get this bastard closer to y'all so y'all can see what's going on. Look at how good this look. My God. Okay, here we go. It's just so good. I've missed seafood so much. Matter of fact, I'm gonna sit there right there. I'm gonna put that to the side. I'm gonna save her. Oh my God, I got so much meat in this bowl, mixed up in this damn sauce. Whew. And so this is the thing about my sauce. So when I make it, which I also said in the video, I'd give you all of the seasonings. Let me get some of this damn stuff off my chin. I give you all of the seasonings. I tell you how much butter, how much chicken broth to use, blah, 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 blah. But what I do is I wait until this, not room temperature, but wait till it's no longer at a boil. I transfer it to a bowl or whatever serving dish you want to serve it in. And I wait about maybe 5 minutes just for it to cool off just a bit. And then I add in the 2 shots of tequila. And then you can also add in lime juice and all that as well. Because if you add in the tequila while it's boiling, you're going to kill off all the alcohol. And then what the hell is the point? I'm going to tell you something. Ain't nothing like eating a little seafood and getting the buzz all at the same time. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh my God. I don't think I've done a seafood boil since the last one I did with Brian. Y'all, I swear I feel like I am crooked and I cannot figure out why. Oh well. I bet you I'm still gonna post this damn video. I tell you that much. Oh Lord. My mouth is on fire. Oh. One piece of shrimp? Mm-hmm. Oh, I forgot all about this. Look at all the meat in the knuckle. There's just so much meat. Okay, let me cut around here. Make this easier on myself. Y'all probably once I'm done this knuckle, I'm probably gonna sign out. Cause like I said, I wanna edit this video so I can have this up for y'all tomorrow. And I still have so much stuff to do today before I go out tonight. I'm watching Drag Race with some of my girls. So I need to look at this. That's all meat. This is all meat. This is all meat that I am pulling out right now. Can y'all even see this? Look at all that meat. Just gonna sit that right there. Finish getting the rest of this out. And then we're gonna chomp down for a minute. Baby, if y'all have not seen me do that damn Kool-Aid challenge that I did yesterday, go watch it. I will make sure that I have it in the end credits to this video. Because I'm going to tell you something. That was some of the nastiest shit I have ever done in my life. Oh my goodness, I have got to address someone because I know you're watching. So I got this person, right, that makes it a mission, okay, a mission to message me and let me know how terrible my eating habits are and how much I'm killing myself and blah, 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 blah. And how I must also not have friends because I'm the one in here talking to a camera. Try to read me, but it didn't work. And I'm going to tell you why it didn't work. The reason why this is so easy for me to just talk to a camera and not feel like I'm losing my mind or I'm lonely or depressed or whatever he wants or she wants to call it is because I'm an entertainer. I'm used to entertaining people, okay? This is no different than what I do on stage. This is just like me being on stage right now, putting on a show, and I can't see the audience. That's all this is. So, sorry, boo, but you got the game messed up. I'm not even close to depressed. And I can tell you something right now, if my ass was depressed, the last thing I would do is come on a YouTube and talk to my damn self. Come on now. Think smarter than that. Idiots. You know this don't make no damn sense. All this damn meat. So full. Ooh. Mm. Mm. If I had my cutting board, I could have laid all this stuff out so y'all could have seen it better, but I was not about to let this food get cold. I was like, the hell with that cutting board. We're going to make it work. Mm. Mm. Oh my God, it's just so good. Whew. In my mouth. Y'all probably hear all kinds of squeaking going on, wondering what the hell is happening. I don't know why it seems so damn dark below me. Child, I don't know what be going on in this room. I gotta get more lights and all kinds of shit. But until YouTube start paying, just the quality we gonna have. I'm not investing no more money until YouTube start paying me some money. You hear me? Ooh, God, I'm full, y'all. I mean, you're home. I'm gonna eat this last little nugget, and then that's it. I'm gonna say these shrimp. I'm gonna make me a baked potato tomorrow for my lunch. I'm gonna put them shrimp in it. Mm-hmm. Whew. So, question. How many of y'all on here watch my mukbangs and my reaction videos? Or how many of y'all just watch my mukbangs? Because this is the thing. With this whole copywriting situation that they got going on with YouTube, and people getting flagged and all that mess, y'all might not be getting too many more reaction videos out of me, because I am not about to get my damn channel shut down messing around with no damn reaction videos. I'm not doing it. And I'm not trying to start 4 and 5 different types of channels. And I'm not mentally there yet to do all that. Because YouTube is not my full-time job. Not yet, at least. So, until it is, I still have other things that I have to do, which take up a lot of my time. Literally, the only time that I have dedicated to YouTube is the time that I spend talking to y'all, enjoying the meal, doing the challenge, the reaction, whatever, and then literally the uploading process. That's it. Beyond that, I have no other time because I'm so busy with other work. And again, I go to work at 5 in the morning. By the time I come home, usually I want to take a nap, but today I was like, nope, I gotta just come in because I'm getting ready to go out tonight, blah, 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 da, 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 da. So, I'm gonna finish this, hurry up and try to edit it, get it posted, schedule it for it to come out, so when y'all see this today, know that I just did this yesterday. And pray for me, y'all. While y'all are watching this, I will have already been at work since 5 a.m. So when y'all see this, it'll be 8 a.m. Now tonight, meaning yesterday, when y'all watch this, I will have gotten home from work, did this video, uploaded the video, driving to DC, going to watch RuPaul's Drag Race with my friends at 9 o'clock. That's about a 45-minute drive. Probably be there until probably about 11:30, I'm sure. Get back home probably around 12:15, 12:30. Go to bed. Be back up at 5 a.m. Child. I'm going to be dead as a doorknob tomorrow, but it's okay. I'm going to get me some coffee. I don't drink coffee, but I feel like tomorrow might be a day. But anyhow, I'm rambling. I love you guys so, so, so very much. I appreciate you all for sticking here with me. I appreciate you guys, for your suggestions and for your laughter and y'all in the comments section. This is the thing. Someone asked me, do you feel like, you're not doing as good as you want to because you only have 4 or 5 people commenting on your videos? I said, absolutely not. I'm going to tell you why. When I started my channel, it was not because I wanted to have millions and millions of subscribers and all of that mess. Absolutely not. I started my channel because I wanted to upload my recipes. That's what Simply Food by TY is about. The only reason why y'all aren't seeing more of my recipes is because that is extremely time consuming. And because if I'm going to post a recipe, I want to make sure it's right. Because when y'all go to cook it, I want to make sure, that y'all are eating some good-ass food. Because your boy knows how to cook. I went to school for it. So that's what I started my channel for. So for me, it's not a matter of me wanting to have hundreds of thousands of subscribers. I want to grow, yes. I want us to grow, yes. Because in the end, as we grow, I'll be able to do more things for y'all. And I'll be able to get better equipment and a better camera. And, I'll be able to make it better than what it already is. And to be honest with y'all, I think I'm doing pretty damn good. I don't know anything about editing. I don't know anything about damn lights. If y'all could see this setup that I got in here, y'all would think that I'm in here fronting. Like I know what the hell I'm doing. I got this green screen. I got all these damn lights in front of me. But it's like trial and error. I'm learning as I go. And I'm having fun doing it. So, for me to only have 2 or 3 people commenting on my section and my comments, that's fine by me. You want to know why? Because they say, TY, you made me laugh. TY, I missed your good energy. Or, TY, you are such a fool, but I love it. I'm bringing 20 minutes or 30 minutes of happiness to somebody's life that I don't even know. How many people can say that they do that? Because I'm going to tell you something. You don't know what people are going through in their day-to-day life. And if all they need to do is sound on the YouTube and see me acting a fool for them to feel better for just 5 or 10 minutes, then I think I'm doing exactly what I need to be doing. And on that note, I'm going to sign out. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you are new to my channel. Hit that notification bell. That way you guys don't miss when I post new content. And as always, y'all babies stay cute and take care. Bye.
Simply Food by TY.